Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon to some of you guys. Okay, we are back today, guys, with silver. Let's make a lot of money on this silver, guys, because there is a lot of money lying around on silver. You just have to figure out on how to get into that nice trade and how to make that beautiful money out of it. Okay, so let's just start by checking at the higher time frame. Let's check on weekly. Okay, what do you see on weekly? Okay, yeah, we do have an order block, which is gonna be this one here. Okay, so if we do have that order block there, it means price still owes to go back to that order block there, down there, to test that level there, to test this breakout here before it can continue going, to test this breakout here before it can continue going up, sorry. Okay, so as you can see, guys, yeah, this one on weekly, it looks like it still have to push all the way down. Okay, so if we quickly go to like lower time frame, like let's just say on daily. Okay, if we check on daily, guys, we have like great opportunities there on daily, guys. Okay, so first one that we have on daily. Okay, it's very easy, this one of it. So we just have to take it there down to this level here, because I'm telling you guys, there is so much money out of this gold, out of this silver there. Okay, so first of all, what do I see there? Why do I say, okay, we should just make it, we should just sell silver there and make money out of it? So if we can just, okay, let me just, yeah, if we can just draw a trend line there. Okay, so you can see that, okay, market has been bouncing on that trend line for like this level here, and then this one here, and then this one here. Okay, so the third touch, or most of the time, it tends to be like a bearish move when it comes to this one. So another thing that I can just add quickly is this is the previous low. So price formed the new low. So it's only going back there to test this breakout here going down. Remember, this one is the impulse. So market always do this, going back to test, and then when you get to this level, we just sell it all the way going down to this level there. Okay, and another thing that I see there is forming like some shape of a bearish flag. If you can just draw it like this quickly, you'll see that, okay, this will be your bearish flag. So another last thing that I should add is that, okay, if this level here is your A, okay, this one here will be your B, and then C, and then the D will be able to act as our exit. Like I said, guys, the analyses are so boring because they're very easy, guys. Okay, so let's mention something else that we can just add. So if we add Fibonacci, if you can see, you add it from the nearest high to the low, which is going to be there. As you can see, guys, price hit straight into the 61.8 of your Fibo. So if you sell it there, okay, it's going to be very easy, because I'm telling you, like 0.10 from here to this level here can give you like close to 30 something thousand. Let me just try to prove it to you quickly and see if we can have that one, and see if we can have, let me see if we have okay, yeah, as you can see, guys, okay, we are on our IFX broker there, which is pays like crazy on silver. Okay, from here with 0.10, like our entry there was 0.10, it's gonna be like close to 484 pips, which on that 484 pips, if you put your mouse there, it's gonna tell you about how much you're gonna be doing if you are right on this one there. Okay, so if we are right on this one, we'll make only 34,393 rand. Okay, so as you can see, guys, if we're risking this one, it's time to make a lot of money when we hit the TP, guys. That, like, we went in with 0.10, the 0.01 is just a bonus, guys. So let's do this. Let's check this one. I hope you understand this one, guys. If you have any question, you can just WhatsApp me on 079 03 88890. 079 03 88890. You can also WhatsApp me there. Because looking at this structure, guys, there is no signal that tells us that silver is going to go up. The only thing that we see here, we see a sell. So let's risk that sell. Let's make this 35,000 rands. Okay, so guys, I hope you understand the video. I hope you will ask me any questions that you don't understand. And again, guys, if you have anything to ask, You can share the video with anyone, guys. I don't care. You can share it with your friends, with everyone. I don't care. Yeah. So by so doing, guys, we'll be learning. Okay. The aim is for us to learn. The aim is for us to make money. So from me, Bruce Lewis and SSFX Management, we'll see you again on the next one.